The NOVITEC Lamborghini Huracan EVO. It has no front differential, it has less horsepower than its siblings, and in a run to see who gets the biggest banana, it's probably gonna lose. Let's talk about this Lamborghini RW. It is of course the NOVITEC version, which means that we've done our fair bit to change the optics and the innards of this car. You have this carbon fiber lip of ours, the diffuser over here, and sort of a two-piece, and then these fins over here protruding to the front, looking really aggressive. A proper sport suspension just makes this Lamborghini Huracan. Center look lock rims. Now you can actually buy a kit with which you can change out some in it so that it actually is a real authentic center locking rim. This bonnet over here, it is the NOVITEC bonnet, and it might just look like a normal ordinary bonnet, but there's so much work that goes into this, and we are going to make an episode. Let's get on with this puppy. We've got the carbon fiber mirror caps, side skirt over here in carbon fiber, and this is special because it has an enlarged gaping hole at the back. It's impressive just how high the side skirt actually moves onto the inside of the door sill. Another section from us sending air in there, these ducts actually being functional, and it's necessary for that. Now we've got these two carbon fiber pieces over here, both sides of the engine bay at the top towards the glass. Carbon fiber bits over here, you've got NOVITEC badge over there. Then it has this lovely wing in carbon fiber with the exhaust tips in carbon fiber, and then of course the diffuser at the back also in carbon fiber. A lot of carbon fiber on this car, but then again, that's what we do.